So when I got to brick up the inside of the block work, ready for the other site, we got the something what was invented in the Egyptian days, that you get this thing with a wheel on it, that's called a transporter, and then you tip it out, and there we go, our health and safety. Look at that boy, look at that. That's a transporter, a big metal thing with a wheel on it, and you have to fill up with a shovel apparently. And you tip it down there, and this is in modern day, this is how it's all got. We're still doing it this way, but look at the Egyptians. Lovely. Right, so we've got a concrete post, a metal post going in there, and one in there. We're waiting for that. We've got this wind post in. We've got how many years we've gone without using anything like a wind post. Now you have to put this in on this sort of job, because someone's sitting in an office and says what you got to do. Lovely old job, yeah, sweet. Right, so now I've got to run this piece in here, and we're sort of making some progress now. We've got the drains in over there, it's all in, sorted and sort of signed off, getting that filled. We want concrete in about 3 days, we're just getting it ready. We've got a little more to dig out there. Yeah, it's going good, let's get on with it. Keeping the bar in the shade, so don't use it quick enough, you see, that go off. Just put that there, coolio. And there we go, and just get the man, look, he's using one of these old fashioned things called a rake. That's been helping take him past. That'll take so many newtons on me out of my prongs. Yeah, he's got full health and safety boots on. Man's got a bad back today. I wonder how he got that in the building trade. Cool bugger. A little bit. Dee-dee. With this beam here we've got 2 steels encased in that. Some people must say in the rut, I'm quite happy what I got. Oh yes, it's ladies' night and the feeling's right. Oh yes, it's ladies' night and the feeling's right. Oh, pretty mama. I don't know the words that one, as you guessed. We couldn't even hum it. So now we can see we're getting in there, keeping the cavity reasonably clean. We've got to put some concrete in there anyway, so it's not too drastic. Got the old post in there, look, all bolted in, chem fixed in. What a bit of work that is, boy, what a bit of work. Rolling on the old combo, shall we? Like the old boy used to show me how to do it. Give it one of them. Whew. That, and away you go. That, and like that. So what you do, you just sort of roll the old combo off, give it one of them, bosh. Let's have a look, put the joint on, shall we? Let's have that. One of that, a little bit of that. Everyone's got their own little technique of doing it, that's just my way. Got to go like that, pull that over there, bosh. I see trouble up ahead. Why does the river not flow? All the things that you say. Why does the river not flow? Oh, we started watching that film, didn't I? And I fell asleep. Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch that. Look, that's that old what's his name who played the reporter? Hugh Grant.
He's amazing.
That's the first time I've seen him in something that I like. He normally play like a sort of Worcester.
Yeah,
yeah, but he played a really good part in that.
Really good.
Got to give me his due.
Yeah, I like that film. I'll come make the new one tonight.
Is it? Are they doing one, are they?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was it. I started watching, man. Bash. Yeah. Sleep.
I was going to do another film, but it's going to be like a 2-part film.
Right.
Because obviously everyone liked it, so they're making it into like 2 parts.
Yeah. Squeeze a bit more money out of it.
Yeah. Because you're not going to watch it as a 4-hour film. But
now we watch the transporting device again. Here we go. And look, you have to pick a tick up with your own arm. There's no mechanical action on this. That's done by a human being. Probably illegal if we're right. Yeah, I would say that's got to be illegal. You shouldn't have to do that by hand.
Nah.
There should be some like battery or a, I don't know. Yeah, that ain't right. Cracking that bit on there, get that last little bit in, then we can get this in here, and we're leaving this bit so we can get the wheelbarrow in out just till the death, then we'll brick it up. Big shout out to my old mate, Mr. Jack Russell. Hope you're well, down in the Essex area. Coming up for your holiday soon into the Great Yarmouth. Hello, Jack. How you doing, my man? Would you use one of these, Jack boy? Look at that, a raggedy. Nice bit of kit out to do the job. You can have what trowel or what tool you like, but if you can't use it, there's no point in having it. Can you hear that wheelbarrow squeaking? I think I need to listen to it. Oh, little problem you have here is 150 gap, but the blocks are just barely 100, and these bricks are 105, so you'll have to go to the face. Not a lot you can do about that. Oh, Harry Kane got another 2 goals. Harry Kane got another 2 goals for Bayern Munich. He's what?
Yeah, I think he's on almost double than what he was on at top.
Wow. He's...
That's the thing I saw about him. I think he's on around about 600, 650 a week.
Wow, that's some serious deal, that is.
You know why he went, didn't you?
Yeah, that's more than what plumbers get paid, that is.
Yeah. Tough day for wheelbarrow pushers.
First job this morning is we set the posts up, fixed them in. Now got to get this all bricked in. The boys are cracking on with the oversight again. You'll hear the old ladies have a go wee 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 in a minute. Let's get on. Hey, there it go. Now sometimes when you're doing this, that ain't pretty, that ain't big, it ain't clever, but you have to just get over it. This is called the real world, I'm afraid. You have to just get on with it and crash something in there and make it all work. Beep 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 beep. And then we'll eventually concrete all the cavity all in there. Woohoo! Right, I know it's got about a 5-inch piece. As I say, that's not pretty, but that is what it is. So what we've done as per drawings, this has got to sit on the inside of the cavity, and we go up to be an apex fit to that. We'll put cavity closure on that, hide it all up, and that's what you do. Right, got the bottom bit bricked in, now we can get on with the face work. And we're just going to have a look over here, see what we've got. I think we've got a true Bricklay's breakfast. Let's have a look. Yeah, nice tin of that. And I think we got a bag, haven't we?
Yeah.
Perfect start for the bag. Let's have it. You what?
Bag and then drink them hard days.
Just help your poor bag.
Yeah. He's got food on there.
Yeah.
Oh, David's a bit. Yeah, he's got a seal load on it.
Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. Oh. Laying the damp. Got a door frame going there. We've got a door frame going that way. This bit is every bricklayer's pain in the butt. All this bit's of plastic you got to cut, rip it, try and get it to lay flat. Don't work. Whoever come up with that idea, what a good